Hmm?
and obtained 2 minors in chemistry and theater.
And who are you?
Applause for that. Wow.
Oh,
Awesome.
is that your name?
Awesome. Taylor has spent the past 12 months representing all Native and Indigenous people as our
Huh?
cultural ambassador.
I can't hear you. You need to speak up.
Outstanding job. Don't you think so, Lisa?
Absolutely, thank you, Beulah. And
Hey.
for me, I want to know what your year
Hey.
is like. So I wonder if you give us a breakdown.
Sure. Well, the crowd
Okay, whatever.